Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day as a teenager in 2020, how to make this money online, and I'm going to show you 5 different ways. So let's get started right now. Just before I get started, guys, I just want to mention that a lot of these sites are 13 and up, but you may need parental or guardian approval to be on these sites, okay? And some of them may be 16 and over, so you need to kind of make your own research before you get started on these sites, okay? On these methods I show you today. All right, so the first one I want to show you is called Kit at kit.co, okay? Kit.co. And what this site is about, you can build your own little kit, meaning your own little product store that others can check out and buy from your store. And where these products come from is actually from affiliate programs. So if you don't know about affiliate marketing, this is a site that you can build little shops of products that you want your followers to kind of buy. So if you have a social media following that's in a specific niche, like either electronics or like photography like these people, or law of attraction tools or whatever, home office, and there's a fitness store here. So you want to do your store, whatever topic that you want your channel, or that you have a channel about, or a social media account about, then you can build one of these stores for your followers to go buy products at. Now, how you're going to get these products on here is by signing up to different affiliate programs. Now, there's certain affiliate programs that this website will make it easy for you guys to add products with, and I'm going to link another video up here in your top right corner of the video so that you can see how this kit works, because I did a video on how to build this store already, okay, to build one of these kit stores, and I can show you that in that video, so check that video out. But how you can do this is very easy, okay? So if you're going to be a creator, you click up here for creators, and then you go find out about what this kit is about. So you could create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits so that your followers can buy the tools you can't live without. And then it says why kit, because you can make money, and this is very easy compared to other things that you can build, because it's just really point and click, and then you get to keep all the money if you earn commissions from your sales. And then you can use your kit store link to be on your profile, on your social media profiles, or anywhere else you want to paste your link, because that link is okay to paste anywhere, okay? So a lot of times affiliate links are not allowed to be pasted on social media, and this is a way to get away from that so that you can actually just post a store link to your profile, okay? So you do need to sign up with affiliate programs that you want to use to get your products from, so that you can earn commissions when somebody buys from your kit store, okay? So for more information, definitely check out the video I've linked in this corner up here, and just click that corner and you'll find the video. So the next thing that you guys can do is actually use your knowledge and package it into a digital course. And this way of building your online income is actually very good, because you're going to do the work one time, and then you can earn from that one-time work over and over again, which will create passive online income for you, okay? So Udemy.com is a website that sells online courses, okay, to different people, okay? So this is already a place that people go to buy courses to learn from. So you are already going to be listing your course on a website that has a marketplace intact already. So that's great, because then you can build these courses and sell them up here over and over again to many different people, okay? You know, as a teenager, you may think that you don't have enough knowledge to package, but guess what? There are people on social media like TikTok that are already doing this. So if you have any clout on TikTok or any kind of social media, you can create a course about how you did that, okay? Because there's a lot of okay boomers and people older who doesn't know about social media. And you can do that. You could educate people who are older than you how to get on TikTok and similar social media platforms, and you could use your knowledge and package it into a digital course and sell it over and over again. And that's how you can make a lot of money online with knowledge. It's a huge market, okay? Now, the next thing I want to show you is Teespring at teespring.com. So this is a little bit fun if you like designing, okay? If you have a good way of designing products, you don't have to print anything, okay? So teespring.com is like a print on demand place. So you could make t-shirts and different types of products, but all you gotta do is design the graphic, okay? So if you want to sell t-shirts, you can make the design, or you can do like other products, like look at phone cases. They have tons of different products. So leggings, clothing is definitely one. See, hats, you can make stickers, you can make totes. So there's a variety of things, and Teespring is very user-friendly. And as long as you have the design, and you can even, if you have a little bit of money, you can even go to like places like Fiverr.com to get a design made for you. So you don't even have to do the design yourself. So this is not it's commerce, not complicated. So you're just going to be pointing and clicking to get your Teespring store, get it up and running. You can sell anything, anywhere. So how it works is very quick. So how easy is it? Teespring offers a no-risk turnkey solution to you running your commerce business. We handle everything from marketing, production, fulfillment, and customer service. We make e-commerce easy. So how it works, you're going to create the product, okay? So you're going to design a product, so you can put your design on whatever product you want. Then it's going to sell. So when it sells, their product goes into their own network as well. So they do some marketing for you as well, okay? So not just yourself. And so once you have it on your social media or somewhere else that you want to sell your store at, you get an order. What happens is that the order goes to Teespring, and Teespring will print it for you and send it for you on your behalf and everything else, and they do the customer service for you, and you just gonna collect a portion of your profit, and it's very easy that way. You actually do your own pricings, so you're gonna see how much the cost is for you for them to make the product for you. Okay, so for a t-shirt, the basic cost is going to be $10. So if you were to sell your t-shirts for $24, you're going to make $14 for each t-shirt that you sell, which is a lot of money actually to sell, to make for this. So like a phone case, you could make $12 if you want, if you sell it for $20 and so forth. So this is a very good way for you guys to make money online. And another option is definitely using YouTube. So for YouTube, if people are shy and don't want to use their own face or their own way to make videos, then you don't need to, because you can do compilations. So you could pick a topic that is very viral, okay? You could use, let's say, cat videos, okay? See, it's cat videos, and you can see, look at 29 million views. But you want to get something, look at this, 5 months ago, it's 4.5 million views. So some of these are very good stuff, right? So this is how you could use other people's videos though, okay? What you can do is you're going to find a very, very highly viewed topic like cat videos. Then you're going to filter it by Creative Commons. Creative Commons means that anybody could use their video, okay? You see this 2 months ago, 4.3 million views. So you could download this video and upload it to your own channel. So this one is only 94 views. So this one was a year ago. What you're trying to look for? So look at this one, 41,000 views is only a month ago. So you can do that. Another type, you could do compilations, okay? Compilations. And look at TikTok is on here. If anybody is watching that is from TikTok, you can do these TikTok compilations. Look at this, 137,000 views in 2 days, guys. This is insane. And when you can get that many views in 2 days, that means you could get your channel monetized very quickly, guys, okay? You can make your own compilations with a software like iMovie that comes with all your Apple products, or any other video editing software that is free. There's a bunch of them free online, okay? So this is another way for you guys to build a YouTube channel without showing your face. Another way to not show your face is actually doing some kind of review. So if you do a product review, so let's say shoe review, okay, you like shoes, let's say, and look at this one, 500 something thousand views. So you can make product reviews, and what you can do is link in the video description an Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so you could link affiliate links in the video description and earn that way, as well as earning ads on your video. So there's several ways for you guys to build a YouTube channel without showing your face. And then the last thing I want to show you is to be a blogger. If you don't want to do your video, this is a very easy way for you guys to build a blog just like I have and make thousands of dollars a month doing it, okay? Building a blog is very powerful, and if you know how to do it right, then you can make a lot of money, okay? So if you go to my website, workanywherenow.com, you come here, you come to this tab, how to make money blogging, you go to this, you could go to the first link directly, but you could go to the second link so you can read more about how to blog for income, because I'm going to show you the way to do it and how I've done it as well, okay? So you're going to pick a niche, you're going to set up a blog, and then I'm going to show you how to blog for money. And what it is that you're going to use affiliate marketing to monetize your blog, okay? But you need to learn, okay? So I'm going to show you how to learn, and where I'm going to show you is that you guys need to end up going to a place like this where you can learn how to blog properly, because you need to learn how to blog properly, because if you don't, then your blog's not going to get the visitors that it needs to make money with, okay? So as a teenager, I need you guys to pay attention very, very, very carefully, because if you want to learn how to do this and do this right, you need the information from this program, and it will cost money. But think about it this way, okay? This is not taught in school. This is not taught in college either, okay? And college is a lot of money. And this program costs $49 a month, guys, okay? And I make thousands of dollars from the training that I've learned from. So do you think $49 per month is worth this training? Hell yeah, it is, because what you're learning is very powerful. You're actually learning how to build a machine, a system that makes money by itself. Okay, that's how powerful this training is. So if you look at my blog, okay, it sits on the internet 24/7, and I can make money from these posts over and over again from the one time that I write it, okay? So why wouldn't I write a bunch of things on my blog, a bunch of posts, like I have an army on the internet working for me and making money for me? Okay, that's how I learned it. I learned it right here, okay? I started here in 2016, and I'm still there because I help others like you to do the same thing and build your own blog on any topic that you want, and that's very important. You could do this with any topic that you're passionate about, and I really suggest that you use a niche that you're very passionate about. So you could monetize your blog with either Amazon products or any other type of affiliate program that you want to pick for your website, okay? So that's how I did it, and you can do it too as a teenager for sure. And oh, of course, if you want to sign up for this and get my face on here and get my personal help as your free coach on this platform, you need to use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. How you know that you got to the right place is when you see my face on this Wealthy Affiliate website, okay? So if you go to wealthyaffiliate.com, you're not going to get my face. And if you don't get my face, you won't get my bonuses, and you won't get me as your premium coach, okay? So if you don't get my help, then you're going to have a little slower progress. But if you have my help, obviously, if you have somebody who's already done it, who's making money already, then you could get faster answers. So if you want to see my income proof, of course, my results are not typical, and look at my income disclaimer in my video description for the full details of that, okay? But anyway, if you want to look at my income proof, it is on my profile, okay? You can sign up for free. No credit card required. Go search Littlemama inside the platform, and then you can find on my posts on my profile there, you can see how much money I've been making, and you can see how potentially you can also use this to make money for yourself, okay? So that's the 5 different ways that you as a teenager could make $100 a day as a teenager in 2020, and I hope you pick one of these. You only need one of these methods, guys, and what you need to do is actually concentrate on these methods very long term. Don't be a quitter. Don't try this 1 month. Don't try this 2 months. Try it for a whole year, guys, because I'm showing you a method that actually makes you a lot of money if you can actually concentrate on it and do it properly and do it for the long term. You will not regret it. And these are methods that are going to give you a way to make some serious online income, and that's why I want to show you in this video. Okay guys, I really hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and don't forget to get notified so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right, I hope I see you on the next one. Bye guys.